All right, I've tried to record this 3 times now, so at this point you're getting what you're getting. Frame. Spring hinge. Don't buy it, not worth it. It breaks, it breaks. They're a pain. Screws removed from the barrel. As you can see, the barrel is not aligned. This frame is actually so old that that little spring hinge mechanism did not want to go into a wonky position. I got the screw down here. It's there. Large paper clip. Small paper clip. Screwdriver. My handy dandy favorite screw tweezers. What I don't have that I should have is a push pin, but I have a very small screwdriver bit that I will use for these purposes. So I'm probably not going to use this one. But remove the screw. This is where I'd put the push pin in. And the only reason I use a push pin here is because it's got that tapered edge and it can kind of shove, it can kind of force the barrel to align, which I'm hoping is going to happen with my screw bit here. Probably not though. All right, there we go. Okay, so I have this in here, and I just wiggled it around just a little bit to kind of, and you want something that's close in diameter to the screw that goes in the hinge. Otherwise, you're just not going to have enough space to work with. I apologize for my awful nails, by the way. So now, you've got your screw bit acting as a kind of fake screw or a temporary screw. Now you want to hyperextend the temple. This frame is so old, this spring hinge is actually about to break. Hyperextend it. Use all 3 hands that you have to do this. And shove this in that gap. Let's see if this one wants to stay. This one might require a smaller paper clip. Let's see if it just doesn't like that side of the paper clip. I think in my last office we possessed more unbent paper clips than bent paper clips. Yeah, no, see, now this guy's too big. And you just have to play around with it. And hope you're, there we go. Maybe that, maybe that, maybe that. That's not gonna work. Nope, okay. Let's go with the smaller paper clip. Come on, focus. Thank you. Okay. And the main reason that this isn't working is because I'm trying to record it. And the hinge knows and feels that because it is sentient. Okay, so now having done that, there should be a release in tension on this bit that I have. And you want to very carefully remove it, because if you're not delicate enough and your hands are shaky like mine always are, everything will pop out and you'll have to start again. Okay. Don't fall out. Okay, you might have to kind of push everything back in there a little bit. Oh my God. Sorry, the angle that I'm doing this at is not one in which I normally work. So, don't focus on that. There we go. Okay. So my little paper clip has still created that gap, so I can just push that in real quick. I go and I grab my screw. And with your very, very shaky hands, you just try to align your screw back in the barrel. Close enough. And once let's focus. There. Once it catches, it goes in pretty easy, and then you don't have to worry about that little paper clip anymore. And this went in at an angle because it's difficult, and oh no, there we go. All right, boom, done. Filthy lenses, clean them off. That's it. That is how to change a spring hinge screw. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe.